Hello everyone, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. Partial fraction decomposition. You never can have too many of these to see how they're done. Let's get started. Index 8 to get to my menu. To put letters in the titanium, you have to push second alpha, which makes the letters always come up one after another. If you just pressed alpha by itself, only one letter would come up and then switch back to the numbers or the parentheses. I tell you how to do that in my instructions when you purchase the programs. So anyways, let's get to my menu. We're at partial fraction. We scroll down to partial fraction because that's what we're doing, is a partial fraction. So that's in the menu. Press alpha before you enter anything here. Alpha. Because there's more terms in the numerator, we have to go parentheses, 5 minus x, close parentheses, divided by, open parentheses, 2 times x squared plus x minus 1. This is a test problem. I always show you what you've entered so you can change it if you want. I say it's okay. And we factor the denominator, which is the tough part about partial fraction. Certainly was for me. But here's the actual factors, 2 of them. So now we write on our paper the numerator, 5 minus x, divided by the denominator, and then we multiply by the denominator. And then we multiply, we make the partials a divided by x plus 1, which is the first fraction, and then b divided by 2x minus 1, which is the next partial. And then we multiply that times this so that we eliminate the denominator from the first part. I show you how to do that. So we come up with 5 minus x equals common denominator a times 2x minus 1 plus b times x plus 1. We always look to make one of these 0 so we can do the math on it. So at x equals 1/2, and you always use parentheses instead of, I use exclamation points, but you're going to use, or not exclamation, but quotes, because the calculator does that automatically. But we want to use parentheses, so we write 2 times parentheses 1/2 parentheses minus 1. Same thing here. Anytime there's an x, you're changing it for 1/2. b equals 3 then when you do the math. At x equals minus 1, a equals minus 2. Partial fractions are minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 3 over 2x minus 1. When you do the integrals, minus 2 log x absolute value x plus 1, or 3 log absolute value 2x minus 1 plus c. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site. Check out my programs. If you like them, purchase them. And subscribe to more videos if